Hi, my cooking friends. So it's Tasty Tuesday and oh, it's not Tuesday. Oh my gosh, I messed up. All right, we need a new name. It's Messed Up Monday. No. Miracle Dish Monday. There you go. We have a new name. Let me start over. So it's Miracle Dish Monday. I can't believe I did that. Anyhow, last week I showed you how you could make the miracle chicken in the microwave. Did you guys try it? Because you should. It's delicious. And this week I have a new recipe for you. So you ready? We're going to make baked ziti in the microwave in 25 minutes. Now, my Italian friends, please, no hate. Don't be mad at me. I know that you have time-honored traditions that your grandmom taught you and you make this baked ziti and it takes hours and it tastes delicious. I get that. And nobody got time for that. We have 25 minutes. We're going to make baked ziti. You ready? So you're going to go ahead and take whatever kind of pasta you want. I have ziti and pour it in. And then you're going to cover it with about 2 cups of water, just to make sure that it's all covered, because we're not, oh yeah, did I forget to tell you? You don't have to make the noodles first. Like, no, you don't have to boil the pot on the stove and have a whole nother pot to clean. All in one, all right? You're gonna take a sauce of whatever you like. Our family likes Francesco Rinaldi. And you're just gonna, again, no haters for my Italian people, okay? Gotta do what you gotta do. And then I add spices. I literally just I have garlic powder and salt and pepper and oregano and what else is in there? Parsley. You're gonna go ahead and I put the ricotta cheese. Again, there's that American way to say it, ricotta. I know you're supposed to say ricotta or whatever, or ricotta. I don't know, you guys can all correct me. And then your mozzarella. Again, mozzarella. Oh my gosh, I'm so not Italian, but I love Italian food. All right, so now you're just gonna stir it all up and you're just gonna get it all nice and crisp. That wasn't the right word. Just stir it all up so everything gets combined. I literally just used the recipe that's on the back of the box of San Giorgio's pasta, but I cheated and didn't even use San Giorgio. They also put an egg in here. I just didn't do that today. And then this is it. This is how easy this is. This is how you can get this together for an incredible dinner for your family. Put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on the top. And that's it. We are done. We're going to put the lid on it. Here's what it looks like. We're going to put it in the microwave for 25 minutes. All right? And again, it's gonna start smelling so good after about 10. 25, 0, done. All right, join me back here in about 25 minutes and you're gonna get to see and not taste, I get to taste, some great, easy food that you can make for your family. All right, now if you want, you can add things into it. You can add, meat sauce in there. You can add sausage. You can add meatballs if you wanted to put more protein. You can make this as a whole dinner or just a side, whatever you want. But can you beat 25 minutes in the microwave? I think not. See you in 25. You ready? Here we go. So the microwave has about 5 seconds left. It's done now. And we're gonna pull out this baked ziti. I haven't touched it. So you're gonna see it exactly as it comes. And then I'm gonna show you. All right, so here we go. Here's our baked ziti. 25 minutes in the microwave in the miracle dish. So you can see, oh, look at all that steam. And then I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit just because of being in the microwave. But I don't know if you can see, you'll see in a second. All of the noodles are cooked. We did not have to cook them ahead of time. Yum, yum, and yum. Can you tell that it's like awesome, right? Look at it, all nice and cheesy. So I'll be your guinea pig, fine, I'll do it for you. The things that I do for my customers. It's gonna be hot though. I don't want to burn myself. It's perfect, perfect. Now, here's the cool thing with the miracle dish. It has a plastic lid. I can put the plastic lid on it. Not ready to eat dinner just yet. Done, right? So this is great if you want to transport it to a party or just put it in the refrigerator for later or even for leftovers. 25 minutes in the microwave. How can you beat that? So join me next week for some more recipes, but in the meantime, right this second, this is on sale for $49.95, all 3 pieces. So it has the bottom is 3 quarts, the top is 1.5 quarts, you know, it goes on top like that, and then the plastic lid, all right? $49.95. You can order it directly through me, Linda Bradley at myprincesshouse.com, all right? Let's think what we'll cook next week.